everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Plouise Pro makeup kit unboxing. I have received 2 of these massive boxes full of Plouise makeup because I signed up to their pro course. There is a reason I'm not doing the course anymore. If you want to find that out, I will leave my other video linked below which explains a little bit about why I decided not to go ahead with the Plouise Academy course, but I still have the makeup and I'm going to share the kit with you in case you're looking to do the pro course yourself, or if you're just wanting to see what kind of makeup Plouise makes. This is the kit that you get when you purchase the course, and I have 2 boxes the same size as this, so I'm going to go through all the products individually and show you what you get. If you like beauty, makeup and vlogs, I do upload regularly, so it would mean the world to have you as a subscriber. I absolutely adore Plouise makeup. I use their makeup daily. I use this donut highlighter palette, which I love. I've actually got that on now. Really like this, and as I said, I use it every day. And something else I use every single day and I've actually got on now is the lip conditioner in the Candy Floss scent. Love this. Let's get into the pro makeup kit. As you can see, this is the first box. There's so much stuff in here, so we're going to go through it. There's just so much pink. The first thing you get is this pro lash book. This looks incredible. I don't personally wear lashes, so I will be passing this along, but it looks incredible. This is what the lash book looks like. Very pretty. And then inside you get all of these lashes. I can imagine this would be amazing for a makeup artist and anyone who's looking to create amazing looks with the course. Next up we have 3 lip kits. These look amazing. These lip kits are called Kiss and Makeup. They're in 3 different shades. You get a lip liner and a lipstick, and the shades are the ones that are on top there, so if you want to see what kind of things you get. I do believe the kits are random, but this is what I've got, so these are cool. I like that you get a full lip kit with them. It would be great for makeup artists. Next we've got 3 little heart shaped pigments. I have opened one of these, so I will show you what these look like. They are all different though. These are what the little pigments look like. I love the shape of this. So adorable. Definitely my aesthetic. I am going to be really careful when I show you this just because it is a loose pigment and I don't want it to go everywhere. Oh, okay, there's a seal on it. I will just peel this one back slightly so you can see. Oops, it's gone everywhere. Oh my goodness me, that's Christmas in a tub. Oh, it's literally everywhere. Oh, that was a good swatch actually. That's what the pigment looks like. This one's a gold one. Very pretty. Ooh, I'll put that in my Christmas drawer. So that's what the pigments all look like. Obviously there are different colours in the other 2. There's a couple of bronzes. I am going to keep the gold one and move the other ones on. Next up we have a huge brush set. This is beautiful. I will be sorting through this, keeping the brushes I want to, and then passing the others to my friend. These look absolutely amazing, and I have used Plouise brushes in my videos quite a lot. I did get the little fairy book of the brushes in one of the budget boxes, and this is the full brush set that you get in the kit. Amazing. Love the quality of these brushes too. Next up we've got a couple of bases. These are in the shades Rumour 06 and Rumour 08. We also have 2 fall in line colour eyeliners. I got the shade green and blue. I will just open the blue one so you can see what it looks like. There's a lot of makeup to get through. And it's a double-ended liner, which is really pretty. And I like that we get a couple of shades. We've also got a bright red base. These are one of the paints, I think, or a paint base for eyeshadows. I've got a purple base as well. What are these? These are eyebrow gels. I've got the 2 dark shades. One looks black and one looks brown, but these would be great for makeup artists. I've also got another cosmetic base in the shade Rumour 11. I've got 2 little paints now. This is in a mustard yellow shade, and then this one is kind of a brown, a chocolate brown. That's what these 2 look like. And then I've got 2 more paints. One's in the green colour and then the other one's in bright red. I also have another base, and I also have another brow gel. Next we have 3 eyebrow pencils. I've got the shade Gingerbread Latte. We've got Blonde Blend and then Espresso. I'll show you what one of these looks like. It's a very fine little pencil. You've got a spoolie on one end and then you've got the liner on this end. I've then also got a massive blush palette. I love the blushes from Plouise. This is what the packaging looks like. Absolutely adore it. Very girly and cute. Oops. And then we've got some beautiful blushes here. I have actually got the Christmas blush set, which I use a lot, and this is absolutely stunning. The blush palette to me does sum up Plouise. I love the makeup, love the pink theme. I think they're all very wearable. Really like that they do Barbie pink colours. I wish that was done more by brands, and there's some very warm sort of peach colours at the bottom. I think this is absolutely stunning. On to the second box. There is just so much makeup here. In case I forgot to say, the pro course is £500 and you do get this makeup kit, which says it's worth over £1,000, I think it is. I probably agree with that actually, and I think the Plouise makeup is amazing. Next we've got a highlighter palette. I am so excited for this one. This is what the box looks like. Love the lavender. And also with the pro course you do get a discount. I think it's 10% or 20% on the Plouise website, which even though I'm not doing the course anymore, I am still using the discount. That's what the palette looks like. Beautiful packaging, really my aesthetic. That's what the highlighters look like, absolutely stunning. As I said, I do use the Donut highlighter palette every single day, and they have more pink tones in, but this one definitely will be going on my dressing table, and I will be reaching into this one too, and I will test this in future videos as well. Literally love the Plouise highlighters. It's so blinding on my cheek. Love this. I love that the pans are heart as well. Next up we have another base. This is in the shade Rumour 03. We've also got another paint. This looks like my skin tone, so this might be quite useful for me. I've got a pale base here. This is in the shade Rumour 0. Love the gold with the pink. Next up we've got another falling line liner. This is in the shade Blonde, and again this is double-sided. And here we've got a purpley pink double liner too. Really like the look of this one. I'm going to get this one out of the box. This one's right up my street. Look at the pink. So pretty. It's kind of a pinky purple. I will be doing Vlogmas this year, so I'm going to be doing lots of makeup looks and testing makeup. So if you like that kind of thing and you want to see some of these makeup items in action, then please subscribe because that'll be coming. Love this pinky purple, very cute. Next up we've got a mascara. This is what the box looks like. Tearproof it says. That packaging is so cute. I've not seen anything like this before from Plouise. I love the gold. It looks a bit like candy canes, but I'm not sure if it is. I will be testing this in a future video as well. And it says it's tearproof, so I'll have to test that out. Cool, I'm excited for that. Next up we have some lip drips. These are 3 lip drips. These are the lip glosses. I've got these shades here. So we've got Ready For You, which is probably a red. We've got Flamingo Fancy and Partner in Wine. These all sound red. I'm going to open some. This one is a beautiful pink. I think this is the Flamingo one. Love the packaging. It looks like glass with droplets on it. I'm definitely a lip gloss girl, so this is something that will be enjoyed by me, I'm sure. Love the colour. And we will open the others as well because I like lip glosses. And this is the red one. What's this called? Ready For You. I actually really love the shape of these. That looks lovely. That can go in my Christmas drawer. And then finally we've got Partner in Wine, which sounds deep red, I'd say. I'm just loving all this pink. That's very dark. This is a very autumnal looking shade from the packaging. Oh, wow. That's very dark. Interested to see what the formula's like, so I will be testing this out. I'll probably do shorts on these as well. These are really cute. I love the packaging. And then finally, the big finale. This is the eyeshadow palette. So we get a book. This is called the Plouise Pro Pick Your Pan palette. Is it? I don't know. I think it's called Pick Your Pan. And essentially you make your own eyeshadow palette. I love this idea. This is what the box looks like, and it says hashtag pick your pan. This was the thing I was most excited for actually. And this is the book. How cool is that? I just love the design of it. I think it's really sleek. It's going to store lots of things in it, and it's going to be easy to store in drawers. So here are the holes for the eyeshadow pans, and you've got loads of different pages. I am actually going to do a full video dedicated to me organising this eyeshadow palette and building my own palette, which is exciting. Just a close up there so you can see the book. It's got some nice quotes and things on the back, and then these are what the pans look like up close, and the book. So you've got 3 pages. Loads of eyeshadow palettes. It says 105. This can hold 105 pans. And of course, Plouise gave us the pans. This box is the cutest thing in the world. How cute. I haven't opened this. I resisted. We'll open it together. Oh, I've ruined it. There we go. Oh my goodness. These are all the eyeshadow pans that you get with the Plouise Pro Kit. There are loads. I will try and show you as many as I can. And as I said, I'm going to do a whole video where I actually build my own eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see that, then please subscribe. I think that will be really fun. I'll just quickly go through the pans I've got. Ooh, very green. And let me know in the comments, have you signed up to the pro course? What led you to this video? And what are you most excited for? For me, when I signed up, I really wanted to learn how to do eyeshadow properly and just get better for my YouTube videos. That was my goal in doing it. But as I won't be doing the course anymore, I still will be playing about with eyeshadow, but I just won't be doing that. And yeah, I'm gonna learn by myself, which I still think is cute. But yeah, as I said, I'll leave the video below which explains why I'm not going to go to the academy anymore. I am sad about it, but I just cannot. So Yeah, there we go. Very cute. Oh, I've dropped them all. I think this will be so fun making your own palette. I've seen loads of people design colourful pages and then do a nude sort of page. I really like the idea of that. Oh, we're getting onto the colourful ones now. Some of these are beautiful. They're all on the floor. There's just so many to go through. We've not reached a pink one yet. I found a pink one. Love the P. Louise shimmers as well. I did get the Christmas budget box last year and they had a stunning palette in there. Love that, still have it. And I do get budget boxes as well, so if you like watching those kind of video unboxings, then you might like my channel. This is very pink. Look, oh, I love that one. There's still loads to go. I wonder if everybody gets the same shades. That would be interesting. Let me know in the comments below what kind of thing you liked best out of this box and which thing you would be most excited for to unbox. I think for me, the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter palette is the highlight for me. Oh, I like this gold. On to the last ones now. Oh, a nice white shade, very useful. And these two, and then what are my last two shades? Let's see. Kind of a blonde and a brunette shade going on there. And those are all my eyeshadow pans. I'm very happy with that. I'm so excited to create the book. I think that will be such a fun video to do. There's so much mess. That was everything in the P. Louise Pro Kit box. Let me know your thoughts on the makeup kit. For me, I think it's amazing. I think it's very good value for money. Even though I'm not doing the course, I still feel like I got good value for that. I did pay £500 for the course, and I think the makeup kit is well worth that. Some of the things obviously I'm going to use and love and enjoy and put in my makeup drawers and use daily. Other things I will be passing along if I'm not going to use things, like the eyelashes and some of the bases that I won't use. But I think all in all, this kit is very good value. Let me know in the comments what you think of the P. Louise Pro Course makeup kit. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. If there's anything you've seen in this kit that you'd like me to test in a video or do a short on, leave it in the comments because I'd love to know. If you like makeup, beauty and vlog videos, then I do upload regularly and it would mean the world to have you as a subscriber. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at ZoeyGlitter, Zoe with a Y. And remember, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year, which I'm so excited about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!